Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at top feature in Zoom. Yes, top 6 feature in Zoom. Right, so we're going to be looking at the virtual background, how to insert file in the chat, advanced screen sharing, lock meeting, and meeting information, and pop and virtual background. So these are the basic feature in Zoom that we're going to actually look at. So the first thing we want to do is to bring up the Zoom icon right here. Right, so we're going to come like this, start an instant meeting, just like that. Right, so we're going to actually open it up like that. So this is very important right here. Right, so now as we open it up, we're going to see exactly what you're going to do next. Right, first thing we want to be looking at the virtual background. Right, so very important to look at the virtual background. Right, so the virtual background, now that first look at the virtual background, notice you come right here where it said video. So you're going to click on this little pointer right here. Notice it says choose virtual background. So you come like that now. So these are some different virtual background I can actually choose right here. When you come like that, you can actually choose the virtual background just the same. If you notice right here and here, you can actually choose a different virtual background. So very important. So this is how you can actually choose a virtual background. You can actually click it. So this is how the virtual background actually look like. So this is one I feature. Right, the second thing we're going to look at inserting file in the chat. Right, so we're going to be looking at that. It's very unique. Right, so what you wanted to do, this itself is the chat. So you're going to click on the chat. So when you click on the chat, if you notice, there's a section come over here in which you can actually do that. Right, so it's very important. If you notice right here, this is going to look like a file. You're going to click on it. You notice so that you can take file from a Dropbox right here. Show that you can actually take from Microsoft OneDrive, right, Google Drive, Inbox, right, SharePoint. You notice your computer. So I'm going to click on that. So this is going to take me directly to my computer. Right, you notice if I come right, so I can click. Definitely I can actually come right here and scroll. Very important. So this is the file. So as soon as I click it, you notice the highlight. So I'm going to click on open. So now we notice right over here, I notice it showed right down here that successfully. Alright, so you want to do that again, definitely let me start it back from the beginning that you can actually see what you want to do. Come right here to chat. Notice you bring up this particular window here, come right here, look like a local file. You click on it, you can choose any way you want it to choose it from. You're gonna scroll up right here. Right, you can actually select something from here, click on open, and if you notice, right, actually up here, so you can come right here, you can actually close it. Right, so that is one of the areas that I actually look at so far. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is advanced screen sharing. Very important. Alright, so we're going to be looking at the advanced screen sharing. So what you want to do, come right here at share. But if you notice, this is basic, so everything that is right here basic. So if I click on advanced right here, you notice this is 4-point portion of screen and all that. So if I click on portion of screen, then I click on share. Right, if you notice, this is what we have. So if I use this section and pull it across like this, I'll come like this. Right, and if you're doing a presentation to an audience, everything inside here, so the audience will see, but nothing out here so the audience can see. If you do it for a student, it's just the same way. But if you come like this and you move it and push over there, they can be able to see it. But if you keep back like that, they only can see what's inside here. So this option is a good option that presenter or teacher should take full advantage of. Because if you come right up here, so I just select, right, nobody seeing, only you alone have a chance. So this advanced sharing green is very unique. Right, so you can actually take out that particular one. Right, so very important. So the next thing I wanted to look at right here is how to lock the meeting. Yes, it's very important how to lock the meeting, because I know so sometimes people get it and come in and you don't really want the people in the meeting and all that. Right, you notice right here says security. You're gonna click it, and if you notice right up here, it shows a lock meeting. So if I click on lock meeting, it means that nobody with the password can actually come up. Right, and very important. And if I come right here, participants right here, and I come right down here to the right, you notice the look at that, and if I click at the tree, look at that, you notice I can actually lock it again from right here. Right, so it's two angles you can actually lock it from. Right, so at least you see exactly what to do. Meeting information. this meeting information. What if you are in this particular meeting and somebody call and say, well, they want to join the meeting but they forgot the information? How would you get that information? Right? What you want to do is to come to the left of the screen right here. Notice it look here look like a security icon, exactly like this one here in the taskbar. So you're going to come like this, click on it. So these are the ET information. So you show all the host, and show the password, show the ID. Right here, so that you can copy the link and all of that. So very important right here. So these are what the information you can actually get to send out to the person. Simple as that. Right. So the next thing we wanted to look at is PowerPoint virtual background. What this means, like we have this PowerPoint presentation, and you're actually going to do the presentation. You can actually show your face right here on it. Right. So how we're going to do that? It's very important. Alright. If you notice, you're going to come and screen share right here. Notice the advanced. Click on advanced. So right here is your PowerPoint virtual background. This is what we're looking at, and then we click right here. Right. So first thing I can select a slide. Right. So if I come like this and I select this one and I click on open. Right. So if you notice exactly what you notice, you actually see me right here on the slide right here. Yes, so you can actually do that presentation with it just like that. So that's what they call PowerPoint virtual background. Very important. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Right. Very important right here. So when you finish with this, you can actually come up here. You can actually close it just like that. So it's very important right there when I actually do that. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video. Very important.